Thyssen hydraulic. Oh, that's a nice angle. What's just classic leveling or ADO, advanced door opening? Oh, that looks so good. Never seen these kind of buttons before. But yeah, very nice Spanish Thyssen from the 90s. Of course maintained by TKE themselves. Let's go back up and end the video there. Thank you for the recommendation. Alright, let's end the video here. Take some still photos for Instagram. Oh, nice ADO. Very nice. That's it.